Here's how AI-DNN's layers can help you write Python programs for deep learning. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. 1. Understanding the layers. Input layer accepts raw input data, representing features of your problem. Hidden layers process and transform the input data through multiple layers of interconnected neurons. Output layer produces the model's final prediction or classification. 2 key libraries for Python implementation. TensorFlow, a popular deep learning framework with flexible tools for building and training DNNs. Keras, a high-level API built on top of TensorFlow, providing a user-friendly interface for model creation. 3 Basic structure for a DNN in Python. Python. Import TensorFlow as TF. From TensorFlow.keras import layers. Hashtag create the model architecture. Model equals tf.keras.sequential. Layers.dense, 64, activation equals relug, input underscore shape equals input underscore features, hashtag input layer. Layers.dense, 32, activation equals relug, hashtag hidden layer 1. Layers.dense, 10, activation equals softmax, hashtag output layer, 410 classes. Hashtag compile the model with chosen optimizer, loss function, and metrics. Model.compile, optimizer equals atom, loss equals categorical underscore cross entropy, metrics equals accuracy. Hashtag train the model with your dataset. Model.fit, train underscore data, train underscore labels, epochs equals 10. Hashtag make predictions on new data. Predictions equals model.predict, test underscore data. 4 key considerations. Layer size and number, experiment with different configurations for optimal performance. Activation functions, choose appropriate functions, example ReLU, sigmoid, softmax, for different layers. Hyperparameter tuning, adjust learning rate, batch size, and other parameters for best results. Data pre-processing, clean, normalize, and format data effectively before feeding it to the network. Regularization, employ techniques like dropout or L1/L2 regularization to prevent overfitting. 5 additional tips. Use visualization techniques, example TensorBoard, to track model performance and understand its behavior. Explore transfer learning to leverage pre-trained models for faster development and better results. Consider model interpretability techniques to understand how the model makes decisions. Remember, building effective DNNs involves experimentation and careful consideration of your specific problem and data. Keep practicing, exploring different architectures, and continuously learning to master deep learning with Python. The provided Python program demonstrates a basic deep neural network, DNN, architecture implemented using the TensorFlow and Keras libraries. Let's break down the code step by step. 1. Model initialization. Import TensorFlow as TF, imports the TensorFlow library. From TensorFlow.keras import layers, imports the Keras layers module for building models. Model equals tf.keras.sequential, creates a sequential model, where layers are arranged one after another. 2. Layers definition. Layers.dense, 64, activation equals relug, input underscore shape equals input underscore features, defines the input layer with 64 neurons using the ReLU activation function. Input underscore shape specifies the format of input data, number of features. Layers.dense, 32, activation equals ReLU defines a hidden layer with 32 neurons and ReLU activation. Layers.dense, 10, activation equals softmax defines the output layer with 10 neurons and softmax activation, suitable for multi-class classification, assuming 10 output classes. 3. Model compilation. Model.compile, optimizer equals atom, loss equals categorical underscore cross entropy, metrics equals accuracy. Compiles the model with optimizer equals atom, selects the atom optimizer for training the model. Loss equals categorical underscore cross entropy, sets the loss function for multi-class classification. Metrics equals accuracy, includes accuracy as a metric to track performance during training. 4. Model training. Model.fit, train underscore data, Train underscore labels, epochs equals 10 trains the model using. Train underscore data, the training data, features. Train underscore labels, the corresponding training labels, ground truth. Epochs equals 10, number of times to iterate through the entire training data during training. 5. Prediction. Predictions equals model.predict, test underscore data. Once trained, the model can make predictions on new data, test underscore data, and store them in predictions. Remember, replace input underscore features with the actual number of features in your data. Ensure train underscore data and train underscore labels are NumPy arrays in the correct format. Adjust hyperparameters like optimizer, learning rate, and epochs based on your problem and data. This program showcases a simple DNN architecture. For more complex tasks, you might need additional layers, different activation functions, or advanced techniques like regularization. Keep exploring and learning to master DNNs with Python. Thank you.